Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your password for a TesterUp account. In times when you don't remember your password while logging in with your email option on TesterUp, then here is how you can easily reset to a new password and get access to your account. First thing to do is to visit the official site for TesterUp. Open up a web browser and inside the URL box type in TesterUp.com and press enter on your keyboard. You will then end up in the registration page for TesterUp. Click on the sign in now link right next to already registered, and then in the sign in area you'll need to enter your email followed by your password. If you don't remember your password during the process, click on this forgotten your login data, click on this here link over here, and you will end up in the next page where you'll be prompted to enter your registered email. Type in the email address that is associated with your TesterUp account in the first text box that you see on the screen and click on change password. In order to reset your password, you'll now need to open up the link sent to you via your email. Open up a new tab and log into your email service provider and click open the email that you received where it says reset your TesterUp password. Once you click on reset password, you'll need to create a new password on the next page and you will be able to reset to a new one. Now, log in using your new password while signing into your account and you will be able to log into your TesterUp account with the new password. So that's how easily you can reset your password to a new one even if you've forgotten it during logging into TesterUp.com. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.